Hello everyone, my name is SM and you are watching English Education YouTube channel. Preparation of vegetable pulao. You can use the flowchart and describe the process. So without wasting any time, let's start. Preparation of vegetable pulao. Vegetable pulao is a tasty dish. To prepare vegetable pulao, first all ingredients like rice, peas, carrots and beans are cut into small pieces. Then an open cooker is placed on optimum heat. Ghee, spices, sugar and ingredients are put into it and fried until the ghee separates. Thereafter, water and salt are added to it and stirred well. Then the lid is placed on the cooker and the pulse is cooked until steam is released by the cooker. Now the cooker is removed from the oven and allowed to cool for 2 minutes. Finally, the lid is removed and pulao is served hot. Please like and share our video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.